Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can test the spark plugs with the multimeter with this tool, digital multimeter. So we're gonna test now, and if it works, you can use it for your car. This is the new one. Okay. Then this is the used one, as you see. Oh, sorry, right there. As you see, this is the old one. This is the new one. Okay. Let's go on start it, and you just bring the ohm, as you see right here, right there. more than 20,000 ohms. Bring it. And then after that, just grab these spark plugs. This is the new one. What we're gonna do, excuse me. So we're gonna touch the here, and also you're gonna touch right there, on the tip right there. Alright? What we're gonna do once again, red goes here, right here, and black goes on top of this tip right there. As you see, when I touch there, let me bring this clear, you can see exactly. As you see, I just put here, and hold on a minute. Okay, maybe this is the way it is, you can see clearly, and bring that black tip here. One is red right there on the plug. If you look the multimeter, it's moves right there. Sorry, let me touch here again. And then, so as you see right there, 5.31, 5,330 ohms. So which means this is the working spark plug. So then no problem. Let's test the oldest one, test the older one, which is used, but it doesn't work. So what we're gonna do, same way, just touch the right here, touch right here. As you see, there's a groove here. Just touch there with the red, and go ahead and touch the tip right there. Little black, but it's still see, I am touching and nothing shows the multimeter. So once again I touch here, as you see right there, nothing shows the multimeter. So what we can do this time, let put here, I'm not gonna hold it, and I will test on my table right there. I am not going to touch with my hand, but I am gonna touch with the multimeter See, you just touch the right there. As you see, multimeter is 5.30. It's working. Once again, oh sorry, let me pull it a little bit. That you can see it clearly. Once again, I'm gonna touch the spark plugs right there. As you see, multimeter is 5.30 ohms, which means this spark plug is working condition. Alright, let it go, still leave it here, or right there. Okay, let's go to old, which is not working. Let's touch the tip of the spark plug right there. See, I'm touching, nothing happening. It doesn't show anything. So this is it, it's, if you want to know the spark plug is working, and you can test, you can use the digital multimeter. This is the one, simple and not expensive, like $5, $3, and then you can check it. Yeah, look at this, it's black and this, yeah, it's not working. So thank you for watching. See you soon with another video. Bye bye.